Hi everyone, welcome to our newest listing in the heart of Burnaby Mountain. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit with an open concept layout, large and bright windows, and much more. I'm Daniel Santos.
I'm Pedro Gomez, team leader with the Gomez Group. Let's go have a look inside. Steps away from SFU campus, restaurants, and a short drive to Lougheed Mall and the Skytrain.
This is the perfect opportunity if you're a real estate investor, first-time home buyer, and if you have any questions or would like to book a private viewing, get in touch with us.